Walmart Store Card Review. Most people sign up for the Walmart Store Card in line at checkout, thinking it's just an easy way to save a few dollars today. But here's the surprising truth about the Walmart Store Card. Depending on how you use it, this card can either be a practical money-saving tool or a quiet drain on your finances that sticks around longer than you expect. Today, we're breaking it all down in plain English, so you know exactly what you are getting before you apply. Let's start with the basics. The Walmart Store Card is a store-branded credit card designed specifically for Walmart shoppers. It's issued by Capital One, and as the name suggests, it's primarily meant for use at Walmart. Depending on the version you're approved for, you can use it at Walmart stores, Walmart.com, and sometimes at Walmart neighborhood markets. Unlike a general-purpose credit card, you can't use this card everywhere, and that limitation matters more than most people realize. One of the biggest reasons people apply for the Walmart Store Card is instant savings. You've probably seen the offer at checkout promising a percentage off your first purchase if you're approved. That immediate discount feels great, especially on a large purchase, and it's often the hook that convinces people to apply on the spot. But that first discount is just the beginning of the story. Another major perk is ongoing rewards. The Walmart Store Card typically offers cash back on Walmart purchases, especially online. Many cardholders earn a higher cash back rate for Walmart.com orders, grocery pickup, or delivery orders. Over time, these rewards can add up, particularly for families who shop at Walmart frequently for groceries, household essentials, and everyday items. However, it's important to understand how these rewards work. The cash back you earn is usually redeemable as Walmart credit, not as cash deposited into your bank account. That means your rewards are locked into future Walmart spending. For loyal Walmart shoppers, this can be perfectly fine. But if you prefer flexible rewards you can use anywhere, this limitation may feel restrictive. Now let's talk about approval standards. Store cards like the Walmart Store Card are often easier to get than traditional credit cards. People with fair or limited credit history may still qualify. This accessibility is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it gives more people access to credit and a chance to build their credit profile. On the other hand, it can encourage people to take on credit without fully understanding the terms. The Walmart Store Card reports to the major credit bureaus, which means it can help build your credit if used responsibly. Paying on time every month and keeping your balance low can have a positive impact on your credit score. For someone rebuilding credit or just starting out, this can be a meaningful benefit. But here's where most people get this wrong. They focus on rewards and discounts and completely ignore the interest rate. The APR on the Walmart Store Card is very high compared to most general-purpose credit cards. If you carry a balance from month to month, interest charges can quickly wipe out any rewards you earned. Let's put this into perspective.